guys, I'm John with Hops and Brews, and today we're going to be having what I think might end up being the worst flavored seltzer in the world. A hot dog water seltzer. So today we're going to be checking out none other than Martin House Brewing's. It's not one of their beers. They have a line of seltzers that are actually really good. But just like their beers, they do some really crazy flavors too. This is their bun length hot dog water flavored hard seltzer. Let's check this out. This seltzer comes in at a 5.2% ABV, a 0 IBUs, and it gets an average rating on Untappd of 2.23. Hot dog water seltzer, created with 52 pounds of water, previously used to boil frankfurters. Mother of gosh. So I just spilled it all over me and my gosh, it smells. Oh man, that smells bad too. Pouring it, it smelled horrible. And now it's on my hand. Let's get into it. Oh, gosh. Don't stick your nose in it. I tell you what, that's the first thing. The interesting thing about this is that the water used for this seltzer was actually used to boil hot dogs first. So not only is it hot dog flavored, but the water was used to boil hot dogs. So there's probably like fatty greasiness in it. Yay. Cheers. Oh. Okay, like oh man. Oh, they're so weird. Oh, it just builds. Okay, there's an odd thing. Tastes like hot dog. Like you taste a hot dog. That's the weird part. But it's not like good saltiness. It tastes like the water of a hot dog. But it's not like a salty good meatiness. No, it just has like hot dog flavored water, as if you drank the water that was being used to boil. I mean, this is, oh my gosh, horrible. But you taste hot dog. It's like, yeah, if you were to give this to someone and ask them what flavor this is, they'd probably say trash garbage water. But then there's this back lingering flavor that just builds, and it's hot dog. It's weird. It's not good, but it's weird. Oh, it's so bad up front. I dare not go for a second. Okay. Going in, your nose. It's like, no, don't do it. Don't do it. It smells. It's horrible smelling. And then you drink it, and it just tastes like carbonated water for like a millisecond. And then it goes bad. Like it tastes, now it's like stale water. And like, oh, this is going downhill really fast. And it's like nasty dirt garbage water. It's getting worse. And you're just like, this is getting nasty. And then it's nasty garbage water that tastes like hot dogs. I don't get this at all. I mean, the pickle one I can kind of get because I've seen people say, oh, I like drinking pickle juice. I don't know anyone that likes drinking hot dog water. There's no hot dog water backs. This is nasty. So if you're looking to really push the limits of your taste buds and have something interesting for your friends to try. Martin House Brewing's awesome sauce hard seltzer line, bun length, hot dog flavored seltzer. There it is. See you guys. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Remember, hit like and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media stuff. The links for all of those will be down below. They are growing faster and faster. We're releasing more and more content, so make sure to check that out. What is the weirdest flavor of seltzer you've ever had? Would you drink hot dog water and then throw a little shot of alcohol into it and be like, this is delicious? What other flavors do you think Martin House Brewing should do? Let me know and let them know. See you guys.